Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to See Cup Corner. This video, I make a crochet loaf handle, all round cord and how to attach the round DIY repeatment handle. Now I have rope size 2mm and accessory handle size 1.5 cm and crochet hook number 5 of tulip of 3mm. Okay, start by leaving the loop as long as the height of accessory handle. And make slip knot. Chain 5 by making the loop as wide as the hook's handle. Close the first chain. Don't forget size of the hook on the handle. Next, insert the hook on the top line of the stitch. Notice that the stitch changes from the front and back to the top and bottom stitch. Don't forget size of the hook on the handle. So we have to shoot slip stitch at the top line all the time. And repeat until the same length as the remaining loop. And test the fit. Next, if it fits, add one chain before doing slip stitch. Repeat the same process until desired length. Next, decrease one time. And then continue to slip stitch until the ring of accessory handle. Cut and use a lighter burn at the end of the rope. Insert the end of the cord into the hole and tie in the knots. I hope you will understand and please subscribe. Cheer me up. Thank you.